Did you know a poor quality dual clutch transmission fluid can thin out under high heat and actually slow down your shifts? Today, welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host, Eben. We're back talking about dual clutch transmission fluid. This is used on a lot of high performance cars. What this is it acts as a lubricant that goes through all these different components inside the transmission. Now, this meets and exceeds a lot of specifications like Mercedes, Porsche, Renault, Nissan, BMW, Volkswagen, Volvo. So this can actually be used in quite a bit of them. This would be a nice upgrade because it's 100% synthetic. That's going to have a higher film strength. You're going to have less vibration in that component, and you're going to have less thinning out of the oil. So as it gets hotter, it loses its viscosity and you can actually lose oil pressure. So if you're looking to extend the life of your transmission, you're looking to have faster shifts under load in extreme high heat temperature, you definitely want to get this right away. And I can be here for you as your oil lubricant specialist. Even call me anytime, 702-472-3614. And I also would like someone down in the comments to leave their experience with this one. I'd like to know. I haven't talked to many people that have used it because not many people have a lot of high performance cars, but anything that's super high performance, if you want to know what's the most consistent shift, it's going to be a dual clutch transmission. And what that shift does is it actually hooks up to the next taller gear before it lets go of the previous gear. So you're not going to have a slipping, you're not going to have a jolt. And how do I know so much about it? I actually drove one of the most sought after DCT transmissions of all time, a 2011 997 Porsche 911 Turbo S. And I did a launch control back in about 2016 when the car was 5 years old, and on Topanga Canyon, uphill with two people in the car. I'm gonna say the 0 to 60 was right around 2.77 seconds. And I never understood Porsche my whole life and these transmissions until I experienced it. Changed my whole life. And it's definitely a special component, and they have a special job to do. And if you want that component and transmission to do that job, I'm gonna say get this right away. You'll be really happy with it. I want you to check out this video right here. This is the next in 24 days of AMSOIL Protection. Check it out.